Hey guys, back again. I'm Alban, total beginner learning FPV on Velocidrones. Let's improve stick control, yaw, roll, pitch, and throttle. Okay, let's go. We push on the throttle. Allez, let's go. Go slowly, not too fast. I hope I won't crash the quad. That's good. Let's push it. Oh, the first quad crash of the day. Okay, let's start it again. Let's go. We move a little bit faster. Yeah, that's good. We cross the first pylon. Second one. Let's turn. Not too bad. Okay. Continue. We go cross this one. Yes. I want to keep it low, not too high, because if I fly too high, oh, second quad crash. Not too good, but we will keep going. Let's continue. Yes, that's good. Again. Yes, turn. Restart again. As I was saying, I want to keep it low. I don't want to fly too high, because when I fly too high, I'm not really able to appreciate how I am able to control, to play with the sticks. Yes, too high is, I think it's a little bit easier to fly high, but low I have to really control my attitude, and also I have to like really control all the sticks too. Oh, third quad crash. Okay, that's not too bad. It's a simulator. It's not like in a real life. It was in real life, that would be very bad. I will have to maybe fix again my quad. But now I can do that. Let's turn. That's okay. That's not too bad. Some cases it could be very bad to turn like that, but okay, let's cross here. I'm a little bit high. I have to lower again the quad to make sure that I will really I will do a good practice. I will feel it after. That's good. Cross, return. That's not too bad. Let's go again. Cross these pylons. Continue. That's okay. Yes, this one. Turn without touching the ground. Okay, that's good. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You succeeded to cross also this one. This one too, you have to cross. Return. Left. At some point I will try to turn right. Not I will not follow the sign on the ground, but for now I want to keep doing the same thing. Okay, return. Yeah, a little bit far. Oh, I have to be careful. Okay, let's continue. We cross again. Continue straight. Turn. Sometimes I don't know if I have to start turning even before crossing the pylons, or if I have to cross the pylons before turning. That's not so easy. It's something that I have to learn again. Let's turn again. That's good. Continue. Let's go. Let's go. Straight, straight, straight. Yeah, that's good. That's not too bad. We turn here. Turn. Oh, yeah. No. Yes. Okay. That's good. Very close. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go straight. Let's fly a little bit faster. Turn. Okay, that's good again. You didn't touch the ground. That's good. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, go straight. Okay, push the yaw and the roll. That's okay. I really need to learn how to turn. I have a subscriber who gave me some advice. I didn't implement it yet. I will do it maybe in my next video. That's good. That's correct. With this turn, I wanted to turn on the right, not on the left, not following the same path that I was following now, just to see how good. Oh no, okay. Don't want to crash the quad now. Oh yeah, yeah. What the fourth quad crash? Okay, we restart again. We fly very low. We turn. Oh no, that's my mistake. Oh yeah, I wasn't paying attention. I should be more careful. I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay, that's good. Let's continue. Okay, we turn now. That's not too bad. Okay, let's speed up a little bit and see if we can still control the quad. Oh, close to the ground now. Very close. But that's okay. Let's come back, turn and see. Okay, we succeeded to cross. Here also, we cross, we turn. And let's continue. We see how we do. Oh yeah, close, but that's okay. Okay, we turn. Go back again, try to cross this another pylon. That's good. Let's move a little bit faster. Turn to the left again. Okay, let's go restart. Let's go turn again, cross again the pylons. That's good. Let's go straight, we turn. That's okay, that's good. Go back, do it again. Yes, turn to the left now without touching the ground. Oh no, yeah, okay, that's good. Let's go. Okay, straight, cross, you continue straight. Try to turn now. Yes, that's good. Let's go. Yes, that's okay too. We continue. Yeah, okay, that's nice. We didn't touch the ground, so sometimes I'm able to really push the yaw and the roll at the same time. Oh no, that's not good. But there are moments where I'm not really able to do that I'm not doing it correctly. But right now I can say it's not perfect, not yet. Still have a lot to do, a lot to I have to practice again a lot to be able to control all the six. Yes, that's okay. We have done. Okay, I think it's good for today. Nice.
So in this session, there are a few observations that I have done. The first is that it seems like my stick were well calibrated because I succeeded to start straight like face to the line to the starting point. Something that I wasn't able to do for few during few sessions. I was always starting like the quad was drifting on the left or on the right sometimes. But today I was able to start when I was hitting the R key. I was able to start right in front of the pilots. That's something beautiful, something good. I'm happy for that. The second thing is that yes, I tried to speed up the quad, but I wasn't really putting all the high speed that I wanted, that I promised. I tried several times, put some speed, some low speed, some high speed, but I wasn't able to do exactly what I wanted, what I was expecting to do. That the second observation, I didn't have enough high speed. The third things is that the third observation is that I was every time I wasn't able to to have a good turn after crossing some pylons. I wasn't able to turn correctly and to go to the next pylon. I was every time hitting the ground. Maybe sometimes I was hitting the ground or I was hitting the pylons. So that's something that I'm not proud of. I will probably train a lot, improve that part. The other, I think that's the third observation. Now the fourth observation is that I was hitting the pylons a lot. I wasn't able to go through the pylons. So I realized that I wasn't able to go through the pylons. Sometimes I was drifting and I was passing near the pylons, but not through the pylons as I wanted. And the fifth observation is that I was also hitting the pylons, and sometimes hitting the ground after. So several times, if you observe, if you saw very well, after turning, I was hitting the ground or I was hitting the pylons, something like that. So that's another point that I have to improve during my next session. That's it for today. If you have tips for beginners, drop them in the comment. I will really appreciate it.